Hey everybody, hope everybody's having a good day. I just wanted to give a little bit of an intro video to sections 8.3 and 8.4 review. So obviously you've already clicked on this link on the home page. So I'm going to go there, and obviously you've clicked here because you're watching this video. Thank you for watching the video. I know it's very important because I'm going to explain everything that you're going to need to do today. So this lesson is 3 parts. First part is watching this video. So if you would please maybe take a moment and pause and get out your homework so that you can check your answers and make sure you know what you're doing. This is crucial stuff, so make sure that you're checking your answers so that you don't miss out on anything. This is a very difficult topic, this section 8.4. So please, 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 please watch the video or watch me go through the homework. Second thing, once you're done doing that, this paint by pixel activity. This is kind of a new thing that I found on the internet. So you're going to click here. Obviously, you're going to make yourself a copy. Okay. And it's going to look like it's a copy of a copy, whatever. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter what the name is. But this is going to save to your drive. Okay. First things that you're going to notice is that it takes a while to work. So because there's so many things going on with these files, they're rather big. So don't worry that it's kind of taking a little bit of time. That's all right. That's normal. Now, notice here it says this is best when view is set to zoom at 50%. So you're going to click this box right here, and you're going to click on 50. Now we can read the directions here. Basically what you're going to do is it's going to give you a trinomial, and you're going to find the missing factor. It's going to give you one of the 2 factors. You're going to find the other one. And I'll show you an example here in a second. Basically what's going to happen is the correct answers. Now when you start typing them in, you're going to see that what you type in is in red. And as soon as you click off the box and it's correct, it changes to black, and pixels will start to show in color on the image. Okay. Incorrect answer, no pixels, and it will stay red. Okay, I'll show you what that means in a second here. Now, here's what you have to do. To get your homework for tonight, you have to go and show the sub the image. Okay, and I've already told them what it should look like. So you walk up, you show them your image, they verify that you've done it correctly, and then they give you the homework for tonight. And I'll show you what that is in a minute as well. So now, where is this image? You go down here on this next tab to factor. Okay. No, it looks like I have some of them already done. Let me get these out of here so you know what it should look like when you get it. Okay. And watch, it'll disappear. See, I told you it takes a minute to load. Don't worry, that's normal. There's just so many things going on here. So wait, look, there's question 25 is not there yet. So it's just got to give it a minute to load. Okay, so notice here in this example, while this is kind of finishing up, doing what it needs to do, in this example, you want to find, now notice that all of these on this entire page are when a is 1, when there's no number out front. So that's just an x squared. What does that mean? These are the easy types, the ones where you just find the factors of the last that add to get to the middle. For example here, if I want to find the factors of 12 that add to get to 8, that's 6 and 2, right? X plus 6, and notice the missing factor here is an x plus 2. Notice that this is in black. Here, well, let's do this first one together. I've got x squared plus 16x plus 15. So I want to find the factors of 15 that add to get to 16. Well, obviously that's 1 times 15, right? So you click in the box here and you just type in x plus, now notice that it's in red because it's not correct yet, x plus 15. Now it's still in red until I click off the box. Notice that it changed to black and now it started to fill in, okay? You do these for these 25 problems. They should go quick because obviously A is 1 and should be pretty quick and easy. So do those, and in the end, all of your answers should be in black. No spaces here. Make sure you don't put any spaces in. All of these answers should be in black font, not red, and this entire image should be filled up. Okay, so that's the activity. When you're all done, you show the sub that image. Once you're done, you'll get the homework assignment. Let me show you what that homework assignment looks like. Let me pull it up real quick. It's basically a coloring sheet. So what you're going to do here is you're going to factor this trinomial. Now notice here that all of these are the hard type factoring. There's numbers out front. So you're going to take like 2 times negative 42, negative 84, and figure out what factors to add to get to 5. Go through the whole rewrite process. Now, well, you know what? Let me do trinomial A for you, just to kind of show you what it should look like. And this will be kind of a good review. Let me go and screen capture this one. Oh, I wanted that on a new page. Oh well, we'll just do this. Okay, so trinomial A here is 2x squared plus 5x minus 42. So remember the process that we learned yesterday. First step would be to take 2 times negative 42, so negative 84, right? Ooh, that's a bad 8. That's okay, negative 84. And I want to find the factors of negative 84 that will add to get to positive 5. So, you know, obviously negative 84, that's a weird one. So I would say like negative 1 times 84, or negative 2 times 42, negative 3 times, let's see what it is. Let me pull up a calculator here. 84 divided by 3, 28. Let's see, negative 84 divided by 4. That'll give me 21. That still doesn't do it. I'm trying to get to 5, and that's at 17 so far. So 84 maybe divided by 6. That works too, but it's not the correct one yet. Negative 6 times, what was that? That was 14. Let's see, maybe it's 7. 84 divided by 7, 12. There it is. Negative 7 times 12. Notice that those sets of factors add together to give me positive 5. So I say to leave the first term the same, rewrite the middle term into those two pieces that we just found in our factors, and then we subtract the 42, leave the last term the same, and now we factor by grouping. Okay, so we pull out at the GCF here, which is an x, we divide it out to leave us with a 2x minus 7. And we do the same thing here with the GCF, but the GCF in this case is 6. So we divide out a 6, and that gets us a 2x minus 7. Notice here that the parentheses are the same. So my solution is a 2x minus 7 quantity x plus 6. All right, what does that mean? So let's take a look at my, so that's my answer. Let's take a look at my problem here, my worksheet. Right, my answer is 2x minus 7, x plus 6. So let's go down here. And I see, okay, oops. Now I'm going to have one of the factors up in the top and one of the factors down in the bottom. So look, it's 2x minus 7, x plus 6. So do I see a 2x minus 7? I do. So 2x minus 7, trinomial A is 10. And then where's the x plus 6? Dark green. So then I know that all 10s are dark green. I go to here to my coloring sheet, and I can color all 10s dark green. So where's a 10? Where's a 10? Oh, right there. Dark green, dark green, dark green. Okay, so I know how to color this coloring sheet based on how these problems get answered. Okay, this is your homework for tonight. Okay, fill this up. Now I will say this. A completed coloring sheet with all the correct colors in it gets you 2 bonus points on your quiz next week, as long as you turn it in with your quiz. Okay, so you can have until then to finish up the coloring sheet. Now, what am I going to be checking for homework? This sheet, because I really kind of care about the math. But, you know, if you go the extra mile and do the correct coloring sheet, there you go. Okay, that will give you 2 bonus points added onto your quiz next week for when we do sections 8-3, 8-4 quiz. Okay. All right, so there is the homework. There's everything you need to do in a nutshell today. I would like us to kind of go over the homework. So pause where you need to. Okay, I've got all of the work shown for all of these problems on the homework from last night, these 12 problems. So here's questions 2, 4, and 6. Ooh, looks like I missed a parenthesis right there. Number 2 is 5x plus 1, x plus 6. Number 4 is 6x plus 1, x plus 6. Number 6 is 2x minus 1, 3x plus 2. Now remember, don't just copy down these answers. I will not give credit unless all work is shown. A lot of these problems take a lot of work. So if you're not doing the work, that's a big issue. Okay, we see the answers for the next 6. Here's 8, 10, and 12. 8 is 2x plus 1, x plus 5. 10 is y minus 2, 2y minus 7. And 12 is 3x plus 1, x plus 2. And again, if you need to pause any part of this, please, by all means. The next set here, 14, 16, and 18. Number 14, 3x minus 1, 5x plus 3. Number 16, 2n minus 5, 3n plus 2. And number 18, 7x minus 10, x plus 1. And then the last three. Now notice for all of these, you had to pull out a negative. There are not any pulling out a negative on this sheet. They're all leading with a positive number, so you don't have to worry about anyone like 20, 22, or 24 on tonight's homework. But you pull out the negative and then you bring it down. Notice that number 20 is negative 1, 2n minus 1, 2n plus 9. Number 22 is negative 1, 6x minus 1, x minus 2. And number 24 is negative 1, 5x minus 2, 5x plus 9. So again, if you need to pause there and go over any of those problems, make sure you write down all the correct solutions with all work being shown. Okay? All right, so make sure you're staying on task today. Make sure you know what your expectations are, and yeah, just keep working. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later.